So good afternoon. My name is Prafull. I'm currently pursuing my BTech from VIT Bhopal University in CSE E-commerce technology. So in this session, we will be seeing a basic animation project. Okay, to demonstrate that, we will first go to the hierarchy panel. There we will see a plus icon. From there, we'll select 3D object and place a cube over here. So basically, what is our aim is to make a road-like structure from this sphere, this cube, and then we'll use a sphere, and that sphere will roll on it. So this will be our today's motto. So let's do it. So this is the cube. Let's set its dimensions. Like there is a panel transform in which there is three categories: position, rotation, and scale. I will show you by changing these values. Like if we do 10 here, so the x-axis length will increase by 10, and similarly with the other axis. And in rotation case, like if we do 10 here, so it will rotate by 10 degree in the x-axis. Okay, so we got it. Now I have to make it like a road. So what we'll do is, uh, let's make it 0 first, make it 1 first, and then we have to increase the axis length. Okay, so now as it's looking like a cube, we want it to look like a road. So for that we'll make it to 0.1. Okay, so here it is. Now let's give it a color, black color. For that, again, so we have to go in asset section where we'll see a option create. From create we'll select a material, and then we'll give a color to that material. uh, Select that color. Okay, so now, okay, so our road like structure is created. Now let's place a sphere on it. So here it is. So be careful, we have to use the control key uh, while placing the position on the road. Like it is, as we can see, it is a little buried inside the plane. So let's see it. So now exactly it is on the plane now. Now what we'll do, we have to add some animation in it. For that, first we'll go in set section. From there, create. There you will see an option animation controller. Let's keep its name as sphere. Okay, okay. So select the sphere and add, go to add component, in which you have to select animator, so that we can set its controller as sphere. Okay, so now it is set to sphere. Then this next step is, you have to select the sphere can, go to the window section and go to animation again. You have to create. Okay, let's take the name as sphere animation. Okay, sphere animation. Save it, and let's play the animation here first, which we want to give it to our sphere. So for that, uh, Go to the add property section where there you will see a transform option, and in that there are three options: position, scale and rotation, which we want to transform. Add on the plus icon and check like which we keep is its value like 120 and z is 5. Okay, so see this is the animation we will be going to see on the plane. So for the moment stop it and go to the window again, and let's place the not the animator. Go to the window again and this time animator. Align it with entry and any entry. Go to the scene again. So now sphere, select on sphere. See, let's try to change some values for that. It's taking too much value. Stop it. Set it as, let's set this 50. Okay. So select this sphere again. Okay. So we are done with it. Like this is a basic project in which we created a sphere. We created a project where the ball is rolling on the road. So in place of this, one thing also we can do is that, like we can import a 3D model car from the Unity assets or any other site. From that there, as like we have put a sphere on the plane, but other than that we can put that car model on the plane. So it will be like a car is moving uh, to and doing to and fro motion. Okay, so that was the basic project. So thank you. This that